Hey there. In one of the previous video, we have seen how we can embed Calendly into our WordPress site or into Elementor. But when we embedded Calendly into our Elementor website, it was directly on the page. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to click a button and then the scheduling calendar will open. So, how you are going to do that? First of all, log in into your Calendly dashboard. Then you must have various event types there. So what event you want to embed into your Elementor website, just go to the gear icon and then click add to website. Now here you don't want to select inline embed which we had selected in previous videos. Here we want to select pop-up text. So click pop-up text and click continue. Now what you have to do, you have to update the link text. Whatever the button text you want it, you can update it here. So right now the default is schedule time with me. We can change it to, let's say, let's talk. Okay. Now once you have done that, copy the code on this right hand side. So once you select it, just click copy code. Now go into your WordPress dashboard into Elementor. Now you have to add one row and then add HTML. Now here paste whatever you have copied from Calendly. Okay, but as you can see, this is just a link that is coming. Now I want to give it a look of a button to this link. So now here you have to do a little bit of HTML and CSS magic. So how you can do that? If you will see the left hand side HTML code, just press space after A and type class equal to, let's say, schedule appointment sch underscore appt. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to click this gear icon and click advanced. Here you can add custom styling to it. I am giving you this code in the description. So let me just uncomment this. I have already added this code. So now if you can see, you are able to see a proper button. If you want to change the color of the background and color of the text, you can do so by adding the hex code of your color of choice. Now let me see this. So let's preview the changes. Okay, now if I click this let's talk button, a scheduling window is opening. So instead of embedding this whole calendar on the page, what we have done, we have given an action to the button, and once you click the button, it's opening your calendar. So that's it for this video. I hope you have understood how you can embed Calendly calendar into your Elementor website, but the calendar will open when you will click the button. Thank you.